This is the place. If our third attacker isn't in here, they'll know where to find him.
Ooh. You got nice rides.
You know something? I've always wanted to ride one of these.